How do state-specific requirements impact employee handbooks? Breaking news for employers and employees alike. The question on many minds today is, how do state-specific requirements impact employee handbooks? With recent changes in labor laws, understanding this topic is more important than ever. State-specific requirements have a huge effect on employee handbooks. They impose unique legal obligations that employers must include to stay compliant. These rules differ from state to state and cover various areas such as personnel files, leave entitlements, wage and hour regulations, and discrimination protections. For example, Washington State's new law, effective July 27, 2025, requires updates to personnel file policies. This law, known as Substitute House Bill 1308, narrows the definition of personnel file. It sets deadlines for employers to provide access to these files within 21 calendar days. Employers must revise their handbooks to reflect these changes and train their human resources staff to avoid legal issues. Employers operating in multiple states face a complex mix of laws. Each state has its own rules regarding minimum wage, overtime, leave entitlements, workplace safety, and anti-discrimination protections. Employee handbooks must be tailored to include these state-specific rules instead of relying only on federal standards. For instance, some states have stricter leave laws or requiring different disclosures in handbooks. Not aligning handbook policies with state laws can lead to noncompliance, employee disputes, and potential lawsuits. Changes in federal laws also impact state requirements. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act, passed in 2025, introduces new regulations that interact with state laws. Employers must keep an eye on both federal and state legal updates to maintain accurate handbook provisions, especially regarding employee benefits and payroll practices. In summary, state-specific requirements shape employee handbooks by mandating policies that reflected local labor laws. Employers must regularly review and update their handbooks to incorporate these evolving state mandates. This ensures clear communication of rights and obligations to employees while minimizing legal risks.